I was down in Cincinnati today and found out not many people know about the LinkedIn QR code. Let's take a look. I'm going to go into LinkedIn and I'm going to pull up my latest posts here. So what I'm talking about doing is going to this button up here, this QR code, and what you can do is scan somebody else's code. And what you do is you just place this little scanner over top of that QR code on somebody else's phone, and it automatically populates your profile into their phone, and it'll act as a connection message between the two of you. The direction here is go into your LinkedIn app and then hit that top button. I don't know if you guys saw me do that. Right up here. I hit that button and then it gives me two versions of it. The scan, so if I'm the one that wants to connect with somebody else, I would go over their QR code that looks like this, and then it would pop up with their profile, and then you just connect with them. It's a really, really easy way to connect with people. Now, down at the bottom, you've got a share my code and a save to photos. So you don't have to get into LinkedIn. If you just save it to your photos, you can go to your photos and pull up your QR code, and anytime they scan it with their version of LinkedIn, like this, it would pop up your profile. You can also save your QR code, and I've seen some people, shout out to Johnson Restoration for giving me this idea, glue it to the backs of their phones or stick it to the back of their phone, so now you have it all the time. You can do the same thing with your Google profile, your Facebook profile, if you wanted to do it that way. It's a really easy way to get people to see whatever profile it is that you want to push out into the world. Hopefully that adds a little value to your day. I just wanted to show you how you could embed LinkedIn in your day-to-day business networking. I'm Mark Perrone with Rethink Revenue, where we discover, disrupt, and rethink the way business is done. Please like, share, and comment down below. I appreciate your time. Good fortune.